How to get a discount on Paramount Plus. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to get a discount on Paramount Plus and save money on your subscription in 2026. Whether you are new to Paramount Plus or already a subscriber, there are some smart ways to pay less, so let's jump right in. Tip number 1, use the free trial. First option, the Paramount Plus free trial. New users usually get 7 days free, and sometimes promo events extend this to 30 days. The trick is to sign up during big events like football season, Black Friday, or summer promotions when longer trials appear. Step 2, annual plan savings. Next, choose the annual plan instead of monthly. Paramount Plus gives a solid discount when you pay for a full year upfront, usually around 15 to 20% cheaper than paying month to month. If you know you will keep the service, this is the easiest way to save. Step 3, student discount. If you are a student, you are in luck. Paramount Plus offers a student discount of about 25% on the essential plan. You just need to verify your student email through their partner site, and the discount stays active as long as you are eligible. Bundle deals. Another great method is bundles. Paramount Plus often bundles with Showtime, Walmart Plus, or mobile carriers like T-Mobile and Verizon. These bundles can make Paramount Plus almost free or heavily discounted compared to buying it alone. Step 5. Promo codes. Always check for promo codes before you pay. Websites, influencers, and even Paramount's own homepage sometimes share codes that give 50% off for a few months or a reduced first year. A quick Google search can save real cash. Rotate subscriptions. Here's a smart strategy. Subscribe only when you need it. Watch your favorite shows for a month or two, cancel, then come back later when new content drops. Paramount Plus often emails comebacks offers to returning users. So that's how you get the best Paramount Plus discounts in 2026. Free trials, annual plans, student deals, bundles, promo codes, and rotating your subscription. If this helped you out, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.